On this episode of the Global Snowbirds, we show you step by step how to get from Rishikesh to Agra. After about 40 minutes, a couple of very close head-on collisions. Right here, Haridwar. Now we have to find our way to the train station. Okay.
Shukriya. Okay, this is our train. Once you find your seat, take it out till you get there. I did not want to step foot in that bathroom. You couldn't pay me to go in there. Namaste, Snowbirds!
Today's vlog is going to be a little different. We're going to show you firsthand how to get from Rishikesh, an awesome little mountain town on the banks of the Ganges, to here in Agra, the home of the Taj Mahal.
First you have to book your train ticket. We booked ours through our hotel. It was 260 rupees each.
It's supposed to be a guaranteed sleeper. You will see. We highly recommend that you book yours ahead of time. The earlier the better. But be flexible because sometimes the trains can get cancelled. But if you're like us and you book the day before, then chances are you're going to have a very crappy time aboard the train. It means your first step is waking up at 4 a.m.
Then you gotta take a bus from Rishikesh bus station to Haridwar train station for 40 rupees each.
After about 40 minutes, a couple of very close head-on collisions. Right here, Haridwar. Now we have to find our way to the train station. Somewhere over there, they say.
We're here. Once you arrive at the train station, you then have to figure out which platform to go to or ask the inquiry desk.
One seat S2 and one seat S1.
Okay.
Back side.
Okay.
Shukriya. Okay, this is our train. Now we have to find our box number and then our seats. But I'm not sure we can go on just yet. Yeah. This way? Oh.
Oh, we were told this way.
This one.
AC.
AC.
Air conditioner.
Okay.
Non-AC.
Once you find your seat, take it out till you get there.
Within a couple hours, had many people wake up. It's 9:30 now, and apparently we're in the wrong seats. Sure, you get the right box. We were not booked together, so we decided just to stay here. As you can see, it does get very people selling inside. You don't go hungry when you use them. We still have 6 more hours. After 9 very agonizing, smelly, uncomfortable hours, we finally arrived here at Agra train station.
Woo! We did it!
So that was smelly.
It reeked like we were in the entire train ride, you guys.
Our guaranteed seats, guaranteed beds, turned into guaranteed seats, kind of.
Shared bed.
Shared seats.
And I really had to pee because I did not want to step foot in that bathroom. You couldn't pay me to go in there.
it's hard to do.
So I've been holding it for 9 hours.
And there's all kinds of beggars that come around. There's the usual child beggars, the adult beggars. A girl came by and just banged on the drum for a couple minutes with her hand out. Another lady came and just tapped us on the head and then said put her hand out.
A lady boy.
Lady boy, yeah.
Two lady boys. But now we got to grab an Ola, which is like Uber and Grab. It should only cost us around 100 rupees, which is like $2 Canadian to get to our hotel. We've got like 6 kilometers to go.
And we made it. So sorry, the SD card kind of went a little finicky right when we were getting into the tuk-tuk. So we took that tuk-tuk for 140. And he actually drove us to a couple ATMs out of the kindness of his heart. He was such a nice guy and so friendly and so genuine and knowledgeable and informative that we're going to use him tomorrow to see the Taj Mahal. What? So
we are now at our hotel. It's called Pana Paradise Hotel. It's like $17 Canadian a night.
Totally undercharging for what it's what we're getting here.
There's a rooftop terrace which you can see the Taj Mahal from. It has this massive couch, 2 desks, a kettle, free breakfast included in the morning.
TV, nice big bed, no hot water yet.
Why? One moment. We got some Domino's. So to be fair, we wanted to order Indian food from our hotel, but the kitchen's closed.
And there's no street food around here.
There's no street food around here.
And there's a storm.
We would, yeah, there's a storm too. Trust me, we would love some Indian food right now because Indian is like one of my favorite foods. We've also been up since 3 in the morning and haven't eaten anything all day.
So yeah, this is kind of our cheat meal to ourselves.
Yeah, so we're gonna eat this Domino's and we will show you guys the rooftop in a little bit.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for the Taj Mahal.
Keep soaring. Bye.
Wait, no freaking way, no freaking way! We've waited 9 months for this. And check that out. This is not even color graded.
Today we're gonna go check out the famous wonder of the world,
Taj Mahal, baby! I'm so excited. There's so many people trying to offer to take pictures for you.
Such a grand entrance.
Justin better build me a Taj when I die. I wonder how many times a day he has to break. Be sure to check the links in our descriptions for promos, discounts, packing, and more.
And of course, you can always visit our website for full itineraries, prices, and other resources.